Hi, here's the ingredients for my cooking show today. I'm gonna be cooking a chicken with coconut milk. First, fry the chicken both sides until it is light or golden brown. Now you can flip over the chicken to fry the other side. Making sure the chicken is, the skin makes it crispier. It's looking good, so let's get going. Patuloy lang na prituhin. And then when it's ready, you can take off the chicken into a plate. Put some onion, fry the onions until it is cooked or light translucent color. Keep stirring or stirring once in a while. Then add the garlic. Stir. And now you can add the ginger. Mix them as well. Makes the smell aromatic. Smelling good. you think it's ready, then you can put back the chicken and then give a little stir. Haluin lang. Then stir again. When it's ready, you can now add the coconut milk little by little. Konting halo and then add more until the last drop of the coconut milk. So it's like that. And add the chili to give some kick on the food. And cover and let it cook. Let the chicken boil and until it is cooked. Checking once in a while. And then haluin din para mixed ang lasa. Cover again. And with pwede mo siyang pakuluin about, let it cook for about 30 minutes or until the chicken is a bit tender. Then now you can add the vegetable. Here I'm adding string beans. I like string beans, that's why I use string beans here. But do not overcook the vegetable. I like the string beans when it's a bit crunchy when you eat it, not overcooked. So keep an eye on that. You will only put the vegetable when you think the chicken is tender or it's cooked and ready. After that, leave for 1 minute. And then now you can add the fish sauce. Mag-add na tayo ng patis, pampalasa. And then peppercorn. You can crush some peppercorn there. Paminta. Dagdag lang tayo ng paminta. Yum, yum. And this will be ready soon. Okay, leave it for 1 minute again. And now, another vegetable that I'm going to add is the spinach. I love spinach and it's tasty, so I'm adding spinach in here. I'm very generous, that's why I put lots. Anyway, when it's cooked, it will turn into small pieces and it's alright. Masarap ang spinach. Pampalakas ng buto. Yes. Parang kangkong. It tastes like kangkong. But as I've said, it's better if it's not overcooked. So just leave it for 30 to 1 minute only. And then cover, and now it's ready and should be removed from heat soon. Kunting halo lang and that's it. ready na ang pagkain. Now it's cooked. Remove from heat so it won't continue be cooking on the fire now. Eto na, magsasandok na ako. My chicken coconut milk with vegetables, spinach and string beans. Yum, yum. Kainan na. At eto na ang aking ginataang manok or chicken with coconut milk and with spinach and string beans. Bon appetit! So guys, ito, kainan na tayo. Ginataang manok. Chicken with coconut milk. Bon appetit! Tikman natin. Let's taste it. Try it. Chicken with coconut milk. It's good. Very tasty. Very nice. Give it a try. Okay. Hope you like this video and please like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time.